2.2010 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 8-sill, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, trip odometer, tachometer, air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass, interval wipers, rear defroster, console, accent stripes, Bose stereo system, auto headlamp on-off delay, map lights, step bumper, luggage rack, running boards, AM/FM stereo radio, remote mirror, bucket seats, deluxe interior wood trim, driver's side memory seating, heated front seats, compact disc player, towing package, dual airbags, trip fuel MPG computer, power driver's seat, traction control, electronic compass W-temp, passenger airbag on-off switch, dual climate control, leather upholstery, 12-volt accessory plug, center armrest, color keyed bumper, alloy wheels, adjustable height pedals.